Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're solving a real math problem involving smartphones and smart saving. We're going to calculate percentage decrease. And here's the formula of percentage decrease. Amount of decrease divided by the original value times 100%. Okay, so let's start. Here's the problem. The value of a brand new smartphone worth 38,000 pesos became 26,980 pesos after a month of use. So here's the question, what is the decrease in price? What is the percent of decrease? From 38,000, it decreased to 26,980 pesos. Okay, so let's say you bought a brand new smartphone worth 38,000 pesos. After just 1 month, the resale value dropped to 26,980 pesos. So what is the decrease in price and what is the percent of decrease? Here's how to solve for the percentage decrease. We use the formula amount of decrease divided by the original value times 100%. And here's the solution. We're going to identify the given values, which is, in this problem, the original value and the new value. And we're going to find the decrease in price or the amount of decrease. So from the given problem, our original value is 38,000 pesos. And the new value is 26,980 pesos. So we subtract 38,000 minus 26,980 pesos is equal to 11,020 pesos. 11,020 pesos is the amount of decrease. Now we already know what is the amount of decrease. Now let's proceed. Now that we have our values, let's substitute them into the formula to calculate the percentage decrease. So we have the amount of decrease, which is 11,020 pesos, divided by the original value, which is 38,000 pesos, times 100%. Next, we're going to divide 11,020 divided by 38,000 pesos is 0.29. To get the percent, we multiply it by 100%. So 0.29 times 100% equals 29%. This means that the smartphone lost 29% of its original value after just 1 month of use. So that is how to compute or calculate the amount of decrease and the percentage of decrease. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. I hope this helped you understand percentage decrease. If you learned something new today, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more math lessons. And let me know in the comments what kind of math problems do you want me to solve next. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and thank you for watching.